There are a lot of options when it comes to automotive refrigerants, but not all are created equal. First, some basic information. There are two main types of refrigerants used in vehicles today. One is called R134A, and the other is R1234YF. Interestingly, there are other chemicals that possess similar properties to these two main refrigerant types when put into an AC system. A common example is called hydrocarbons. Propane and butane, and sometimes a mix of the two, are the most common versions of this. If you do see these options on the shelf at your local auto parts store, they will often be less expensive than traditional refrigerant. Reading the product labels carefully, the contents may be described as hydrocarbons, R1234YF HC, or a natural refrigerant replacement to both R134A and R1234YF. Although public perception may be that these are cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternatives, they are inferior to genuine grade refrigerants, and there's several reasons why. First, it needs to be said that hydrocarbons are not OEM grade replacement quality, and they are not recommended by vehicle manufacturers. Additionally, if hydrocarbons are being used, the AC system must be thoroughly flushed of all existing refrigerant already in the AC system before adding a different type of refrigerant. A mix of different refrigerants within a system may not work and can damage the system. Also, using hydrocarbon blends in a system not designed for those blends can void the vehicle's warranty. Not only should the refrigerant not be mixed, but the quantity of hydrocarbon refrigerant being added to the air conditioning system can't just be added on a whim. It needs to be carefully recalculated. The density of the hydrocarbon blend may be different than the density of the original refrigerant, the result of which can affect the AC system's proper operation, again jeopardizing the system and posing the possibility of damage. Additionally, most hydrocarbons are highly flammable compared to the relatively low to non-flammability of traditional refrigerants. This flammability makes hydrocarbons potentially dangerous to handle and use in your vehicle's AC system. Finally, hydrocarbon products also rarely include additives needed to seal leaks in rubber and metal components. In fact, since existing vehicle systems have not been designed for hydrocarbon blends, the blends can degrade hoses or gaskets designed for traditional R134A and R1234YF. The result? Using hydrocarbons can make AC systems more prone to leakage, and thus they likely won't last long since the propane and butane will leak out, in turn causing the AC system to blow hot air yet again. So, when it comes time to recharge your vehicle's AC system, don't fall for cheap alternatives or knockoffs. We recommend using genuine R134A and R1234YF refrigerant to recharge your AC system. And sticking with AC Pro guarantees genuine OEM-grade refrigerant that is less flammable and less hazardous to use. All AC Pro products include additives needed to seal leaks in rubber and metal components too. More questions? Head to acprocold.com for additional information on everything it takes to keep your car's AC blowing cold.